wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting us to present the result of the research conducted by me, Tropika Hadian Dinhak, as the first author, Dr. Esmeralda Contessa Jamal as second author, and Dr. Alisa Wunandari is the third author. And we are from the Department of Informatics and Department of Medicine, Universitas Jenderal Ahmad Yani. And our research is emotion recognition of EEG signal using wavelet filter and convolutional neural networks. There are 6 points to be discussed, namely introduction, literature review, method, result and discussion, conclusion, and future work. The background of this research emotion is psychophysiological process that is triggered by a conscious state or not. Emotion correlate with human personality, interest, and health. The emotions are divided into positive, neutral, and negative emotion. Positive emotions are good for mental health, while excess negative emotion can be destructive. One of the causes of mental health disorder is depression. Someone who is depressed find it difficult to control emotion, so therapy is needed. Therefore, emotion education and therapy monitoring more positively are important. This monitoring can be used psychological signal with electroencephalogram or EEG device reflecting human brain activity. Meanwhile, the EEG signal of each channel is a sequence, and the signal from the next channel is a continuation of the sequence from the previous channel. Therefore, EEG signal processing was carried out, extraction technique representing specific emotion and classification methods. A filter to extract EEG signal into the 4 to 45 hertz frequency range containing theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves. The extraction results were identified in 3 emotion classes using convolutional neural networks. Recognition of emotion through EEG signal is still very interesting to study, either using public dataset, DeepNSeed, or Allen recording. Various extraction and identification methods are used to obtain optimal performance. Several extraction methods are used, differential entropy and FFT, and identification methods such as domain adaptation technique, temporal convolutional network, 2D CNN, and 1D CNN. The emotion identification stage begins with the acquisition of data from one of the public available data regarding the recording of EEG signal for emotion, namely the SEED dataset. Then proceed with preprocessing, namely segmentation and wavelet filtration in range frequency 4 to 45 Hz. Next is learning and identification using CNN two-dimensional. EEG signal data was obtained from the seed of 15 subjects. Each subject watched 15 Chinese film clips. The sampling frequency of the EEG signal is 200 Hz with a duration of 185 seconds and 3 trials. The study used 12 channels. In total, there are 675 datasets. A signal that is filtered at a specific frequency help distinguish emotional state. Wavelet can be used to filter signal in a frequency of 4 to 45 Hz. Wavelet filters to obtain signal frequency information in a specific time unit with 2 main processes, decomposition and reconstruction. In decomposition, the original signal convolution process use the dot product operation with the kernel. The wavelet decomposition function consists of several approximation and detail. Decomposition process is illustrated by the picture, where the yellow box is the future use. There are 6 decomposition steps with several approximation steps and details, and resulting is 424 data points for each channel for 5 seconds. CNN consists of a feature extraction and identification layer that works like the A by seeing the condition for a moment without remembering the previous information. The feature extraction is carried out by the convolution and pooling layer, while the classification test is managed by the fully connected layer. The network is utilize a convolutional kernel filter of 3 by 3 with 1 stride to handle EEG signal on each channel. Convolution process are combined with activation function to increase nonlinearity in the network. The most commonly used activation function is the ReLU. In this study, the max pooling size was 2 by 2 with 2 strides. This extraction process can reduce from 5,088 to 51 data points. The identification layer combines fully connected neuron and fully connected to multi-layer perceptron or MLP architecture. MLP consists of an input layer, a hidden layer, and an output layer. Two-dimensional CNN method produce a better accuracy rate of 83.44% than the one-dimensional CNN with an accuracy of 75.97%. This study used a two-dimensional data structure representing a spatial temporal feature of a multi-channel EEG signal with a vertical dimension in the form of channel and horizontal dimension in the form of times. The proposed method utilized a convolutional filter with a size of 3 by 3 so that the signal sequence is maintained. To the CNN method decrease in loss from 1.277 to 0.769 and has a much faster computation time. Subsequent experiments were carried out to determine the level of accuracy and data loss and on the use of 4th, 8th, and 16th layer of CNN. Experiment use optimization model maximum adaptive moment estimation or ADAMEX and stochastic gradient descent or SGD. They were using 200 EPO with a learning rate of 0.0100. In this experiment, layer selection and weight correction model were almost the same. This experiment used 8 layers, which are compared with the SGD model and different parameters. The most optimal results were obtained in this study using the two-dimensional CNN method and the SGD optimization model with 8 layers and learning rate of 0.0100. And which mentioned, two signal order produce the best accuracy of 83.44% compared to 75.90% with one-dimensional CNN. A signal processing for multi-channel using two-dimensional CNN can capture much information from electrical activity in the brain, especially emotional variable with signal sequence that can be maintained so that signal from different channels simultaneously can be related to each other if treated as a metric using CNN. The combination of theta, alpha, beta, and gamma wave is the optimal configuration for emotion recognition carried out with wavelets. As CNN layers with the SGD weight correction model are more optimal than ADAMEX and other layers. In addition, the use of a learning rate of 0.0100 can provide higher accuracy than other learning rate. Future research needs to perform random convolution so that the signal relation between pairs can be more helpful in distinguishing classes and modifying the method so that that the relationship between sequence will increase the performance. Thanks to LPPM, Universitas Jenderal Ahmad Yani funded this research for the Faculty of Medicine 2021 grant, and thanks for attention.
Thank you, Rafiko, for your presentation. I think we have one question from the audience. It's from William Chi. The question is the model equally accurate across the 3 different classes, that is positive, negative, and neutral? What is the class distribution of the data set? That's the question. Hello? I think we lost her. Okay. Or is it me?
Yeah, I think we lost her.
Yeah, I think we lost her.
I think it's okay. When she comes back, then probably.
Okay, when she comes back. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So I think probably later on, Rafiko, hello. I will ask Rafiko to answer William question in the chat room because we will now have to move on